Hi guys, Thankyou here. Welcome back to this channel. So today I have a very special guest, my 6-year-old daughter. Yay! She's so happy to be part of this video. She will be doing my makeup for today. Oh my god. So, she said she's going to start, what's that?
Start to clean the face.
Oh! Okay. Dayon, you can speak Bisaya man. Bisaya lang ta.
Bisaya bito to.
Sorry. And then, dangas man kay si mama today. So, after, wala to? This one?
Foundation.
Sige, open ko. Ikaw may mo makeup na ako. Ikaw mabutang.
Oh my gosh.
And then, sure hati, himo ko ni mong monster. Guwapa na ko.
Guwapa na ka.
Guwapa na ko, sure ka?
Kapit na ka mo guwapa.
Ako'y tigpay-pay galore. Kaya sana akong makeup artist eh. Muna ni? Oh? Oh wait, ouch! Amazing! You know how to do it! Wow! Kani wala lagi ni na blend. Ay kayo. Ika, sorry. Wala. Sure ka be sa imong gibuhat. Look at me, if I'm beautiful or not.
Beautiful.
And then, after, what's next? Is, kilay? Oh, kabaw lagi kaon sa kilay be.
Gagi. Magdali.
Good luck.
Ay, pagliwag ka na.
Okay, di ko na ko maglihok guys. Kinahanglan di ko mulihok. Sige. Kinahanglan ko na kung di mulihok. Okay?
Ikipatay.
Okay. Dayon.
Pikas.
Oh, nice, nice. Love it. The other side.
Hindi ko makita.
Okay. Oh. Sino mong buhaton?
Eyebrow.
Eyebrows? Wow, kabaw siya ka eyebrows guys. Hala, may masya kung kunin akong anak. Kabaw siya ka eyebrows. Patsa na siya.
Lipstick.
Kana ang color? Huh?
Sige. Papagliwag mo.
Wow, wow, ano kayo ko? Let me help you.
Kabaw na ko.
Kabaw na ko na siya. Uy, ay pagbuot na eh. Sila tag lipstick, ani?
Oo, mama. Pink ang lipstick.
Okay. Wala sila kakita.
Ano?
Okay. Next is...
Eyeshadow.
Malingaw, mangkuha ni. Yung sa may mong gamiton. You need brush?
Brush.
Okay. Sige, pahulman ti kag brush. Iuli na ha.
Ano makamaan?
I'm so happy lang.
Happy ka.
But anay? Next. Pakita sila. What did you use? What did you use na color? What color?
Okay.
This one.
This one.
Na shade. Transition shade. Wow. May nalagay kay kabi. How about the other side?
Here.
Sa may mo ikastorya sa mga viewers.
Like and subscribe.
Meron pa siyang tap-tap. Show them. Say next. Ice, ikaw. If asa ni mo ibutang, asa ni mo ibutang.
Here.
Oh, amazing. Okay. She really asked me, guys, to make a video doing my makeup, so this is the right time to do it. Oh my god. Finish? Concentrate lagi kay Kabi. Sila kakita. Pakita sila. Sa imong, nganong imo man ang gibutag liner ang mata ni mama? Ngano man?
Kaya ganahan ako.
Kay ganahan na siya. Tayo, next.
Next is...
Ay!
Brush ma.
Oh! Niyayo pa jog brush. Okay, dara. Be careful, huh? I will hold it for you. No? That one, tell them.
Kini akong gamiton.
Mo pretty ko, ani, be? Oh. Finish? Are we done? Is this the final look?
Wa pa imong dali.
Okay, sige, mag-nose line ko na siya, guys. Kaya dili pa ko na complete. Sige. Hala, guys. Kanigapon, oh. Oh. Suya. Suya. Oh. Da. What's this, man? Nose line.
Nose line.
Wow. Na siya yung nose line. Malingaw man ko. Napadjud, imo pang that's blending, right? No? Okay.
Finish na.
Guwapa ko di.
Wa pa.
That's it, guys. This is the finished look. Tanggalin natin yung hair natin para naman intense. Maganda ba? Maganda, guys. Oh my God. Sige. Aura-aurahan ng peg. So, unsam ni siya?
Si Catriona.
Si Catriona. Dili Cartolina? Sige, mag-thank you tanila. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. And please, if you like how she did the look, please don't forget to like, okay? Like, share,
And
subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave all your comments down below if you want more videos from us. Bye-bye. You say bye. Bye-bye. Sarang he.
Sanang he.
Mwah. Guwapa. Gimorder na din mo akong na.
Ayaw ma.
Say bye na nila. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
We're going to sleep na.